morning or afternoon or evening whenever you're watching this. For me, it is afternoon, although technically it's kind of my morning because I was up all night. So my morning was my sleep time today. I'm just sitting here looking out my window. I do this every day. Come here and go through my emails and any messages that I may have missed. I'm checking on a couple of projects. So I wanted to actually show you a couple of things. Later on I'm going to pick the winner from the giveaway, but I gotta get myself prettied up before I even think of getting on video with you guys. I wanted to show you a couple of things on YouTube. Oh, I just set this up, by the way. Oh, focus, come on. Well, I let that focus. This is a program I use called Sly Broadcast. Can you guys see that? There it goes. Sly Broadcast. This, you guys, if you have employees or if you have a team, you need to know a little bit about Sly Broadcast. So I think I'm going to do a video. Do you guys want to see a video on how I use this? Comment down below. I'm going to do a video on how I use this. My link to Sly Broadcast will be down below too as well, if you want to check it out before I get to making the video. But this, I just sent a Happy New Year message to everyone on my team. But I really wanted to show you a little bit about YouTube. Okay, y'all know YouTube is like my baby, but there's a reason why YouTube is such a big deal for me. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Can you believe it? The second largest search engine. You don't have to read this. I'm gonna link this article down below in the description bar. And with it being the second largest search engine, you guys, I'm on YouTube easily 3 hours a day, probably more, because it's usually like 2 to 3 for business, and then like maybe 2 or 3 as I'm going to sleep, or cleaning the house or doing things like that. So for like entertainment. And when I did this giveaway, I can't tell you how many people private messaged me and said, I don't know how to enter, I don't know how to comment, but I watched and shared. And I'm like, you have to comment. That's the rules. So I wanted to give you a quick tour of YouTube, and I'm going to do a tutorial on YouTube as well. That's another upcoming video. It'll be short and quick because YouTube is not hard, you guys, but I wanted to give you guys a tour real quick. Before I do that, let me just tell you guys why you need to know about YouTube. YouTube, 6 out of 10 people prefer online videos to television nowadays. 6 out of 10 people, okay? By 2025, half of the viewers under 32 won't even subscribe to paid TV service. No cable, no DirecTV, that stuff's gonna be gone. I haven't had cable or DirecTV or anything like that in like 4 years or maybe more, okay? You guys, every 1 minute, 400, what is it? I gotta find it here. 400 hours of video. I can't see it. Can you see it? 400 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. 400 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. You guys, everything you ever need to know, a recipe, how to run your business, how to talk to your team, how to motivate your team, how to stay motivated is on there. So yeah, and guess who else is on there? Me. That's right. So you can subscribe to me and I can be a couple of your hours. All right, so let me just give you a quick tour real quick. There it is. There was my giveaway. In a few minutes, I'm going to get over to my computer and close the giveaway, even though technically it's been closed since midnight on the 31st. And I'm going to choose a winner, and I'm going to announce it right here on this channel in a few minutes. But I just, yes, this is, most people I think it's 2/3 of the people that watch YouTube do it on their mobile device. So that's why I'm showing you here. I'll give you a better tutorial later on, but basically you watch a video, right? So let's say that you're on Facebook and you click on it and it brings you to, the link brings you to a YouTube video, whether it's mine or somebody else's, right? So now you've watched the YouTube video. If you like the video, you guys, give it a like right there. Give it a like. Those likes help that channel. And when that channel receives a like, it pushes them out. It tells YouTube that it's good content and it starts recommending it to other people. And that's huge. You guys, most people don't make a lot of money on YouTube. I don't make really any. I think I made $17 last year. You know, so obviously a lot of us do this for the love of sharing. So when you hit that like, it just helps us out so much more than even $1 can. All right, anyway, so somebody was like, oh my God, not somebody, a couple somebodies were like, I don't know how to comment. I don't know what to do. So if this is your phone, there's the video. These are all the recommendations YouTube's giving you for related videos. And then right there, look, comments. Yeah, how easy. So you click on that and you type your comment, and it's just that simple, you guys. I think every video I'm gonna pick my favorite comment of the day, and this was mine by far. It turns out that it's my friend Veronica, and this is what she wrote, and I'll just read it to you guys because it's going to be really hard for you to see it here, but she just wrote, you're back. I'm so blessed to call you my friend and family. It's been said that you don't need to know everything. You just need to copy the right cat, and you are the cat to follow. And smart is the person who not only watches your videos but applies the advice you give. I've recognized so many things just by turning to your ideas. Super excited for your relaunch. Shared, by the way. Oh my gosh, what a sweet comment from my friend Veronica. I love it. Hi everyone, I'm back in my messy office, but I'm here to announce the giveaway winner. Before I do that, I just want to thank everyone that entered and all your sweet comments. And if you happen to be watching this video and you just came upon it now and you didn't get to enter the giveaway, don't worry, just scroll down, hit the subscribe button, and then click the little bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be alerted when I upload my next video. I think it's either the next one or the one after that. I'm already doing another giveaway. So for everyone that already watched and everyone that's new, make sure that you are subscribed and you've hit that bell so that you can be notified when I do my next giveaway. Okay. So before I announce the winner, let me remind you what it was that we were giving away. Okay, so it was the Christian Siriano purse. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this purse so much. I just love it. I never had time to go get myself one. So if I find time in the next few days, maybe they'll still have it. I don't know. But anyway, Christian Siriano, in case you don't know, is a designer. I first heard of him a few years ago when he was in Project Runway. Ever since I found Christian Siriano shoes, I will buy no other high heel shoes other than Christian Siriano. This kid knows how to design for women, because I can wear his shoes all day long and not get sore. Like, I can go all day. Love his shoes. Treat yourself to a pair of his shoes and you'll know what I'm talking about. All right, anyway, so this was his purse this year at Payless. I love it. I love this like mauve, kind of like powdery pink with the black, and oh my gosh, I love the burgundy. Where's my viewfinder? Right here. Where is it? Right here. I love this like purple right here. Sorry, burgundy. I just think it's so gorgeous. And the little detail here. So this is the purse, and then just like a little nail kit right here. I have this nail kit as well. It was gifted to me. It says, "Blessed is the mother who walks with God," and just super cute inside. I could definitely use some time to break my nail and work on my nails. And then this nail polish. I love this nail polish. I have the lipstick that matches it on right now. It's this gorgeous pink. I just adore it. I love it. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but everything is pink and black and coordinates, which is what I wanted for this giveaway. All right, so let me announce the winner without any further ado. We already picked it. Actually, my little girl picked it. And by the way, we're about to film her a tutorial on how she does her, you know, special day makeup. So I'm gonna put the link to her channel and her video down below. And if you feel like being supportive today, go ahead and click on her video, give her a thumbs up, share some nice comments with her, and yeah, even subscribe to her channel. I'm telling you, she's gonna be bigger 20 times over than I ever will be. All right, so I had the winner's name here, but of course my phone closed up, so now I gotta look for it again. Hold on, here it is. Okay, so the winner of the Christian Siriano purse and this little gift set for today is, her name is Rosalind Adams. Rosalind Adams, congratulations. I'm so excited that you won. Now, if you're watching this, Rosalind, I am going to try to respond to you and let you know that you've won. Please make sure that you give me a way to reach you. YouTube, I talked about YouTube a little bit earlier. YouTube used to let us, you know, kind of private message people, so contests were a little bit easier to just run them straight through YouTube. But they changed their guidelines, and now we can't message you. So I'm just going to respond to you in the comments, and hopefully you see it and you know that you've won, or you watch this video even better and you know that you've won and you reach out to me. Okay, now real quick before I end this video, my next video coming up, if you haven't gone yet to my Facebook page, go to it. I'm going to have it pop up here on the screen somewhere. On Facebook, you can find me under METV, the channel. I'll have a link in the description bar down below as well. And I'm going to post a couple of videos, okay? 3 or 4, I'm not sure. And you're going to vote on which video you would like to see up next. I'm going to post them all, but I just want to know which one you'd like to see next. So go ahead and vote in that poll so that I know which video to upload next. It's going to be later on this week. And I just want to thank everyone again for your support. And I'm so looking forward to 2019 and spending it with you while we all learn a little bit about how to grow our businesses. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.